Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today is the day 6 for this English series which I am running on my channel, and it is a 10 days series. Okay. So in this video we are going to solve some jumbled sentence questions like para jumbles and the jumbled sentence which you get the prelims paper and in the mains paper also. So in this video we are going to solve those questions, and if you want to purchase this book, then I will give you the link of this book in the description. From there you can go and purchase. And if you want to connect to me, then you will find my Telegram channel link in the description. From there you can go and join my channel, and you can ask your doubts there. And if you are unable to find the Telegram channel by the link, then simply search that optimistic girl in the Telegram and you will find the channel. Okay, now I will start this video with the questions. So these are the level 2 questions which I will attempt today. Okay, these are the level 2 jumbled sentence questions. So first of all, we have to read all the three sentences, and after that we will try to make the arrangement. First, even neckties may make certain men feel choked or claustrophobic. Then second is, man's fashion can also be restrictive and uncomfortable. For example, many men hate wearing suit jackets and neckties. Then C is, suit jackets are often fitted tightly on the body, making it difficult to give the arms a full range of movement. Okay, so they are talking about man's clothes, that man feel uncomfortable by wearing some type of clothes. So first of all we have to find the starting sentence which is giving the idea of this arrangement. Okay, so here even is written, even neckties, it means it has some sentence before it. So A cannot be the starting sentence because it has written even neckties. It means something about neckties is written before this sentence also. Okay, then B, men's fashion can also be restrictive and uncomfortable, and for example many men hate wearing suit jackets and neckties. So here first it has discussed about suit jackets and neckties, and after that it is explaining. So B can be our starting sentence, but we have to read C also. Suit jackets are often fitted tightly. So first here it is mentioned that suit jackets are there, and it is giving us the detailed explanation about what suit jackets are. So B will be our starting sentence, that men's fashion can also be restrictive and uncomfortable. For example, many men hate wearing suit jackets and neckties. After that they are explaining about what is suit jacket. Suit jackets are often fitted tightly on the body, making it difficult to give the arms a full range of movement. After that, even neckties, like first of all they are uncomfortable from the suit jackets, and for the add-on, even neckties may make certain men feel choked and claustrophobic. So here B will be our first sentence, then C will be second, and A will be third. So BCA will be our arrangement here. Okay, if you are able to find this helpful, then please try to write in the comment section. Then the next is, this is the part of the sentences. Okay, like 4 segments of a sentence given. So have no time to read long letters, are busy men and clear and to the point as businessmen. Business letters should be terse. So the way of solving these type of questions is by options. First we will use option A, D, C, A, B. Business letters should be terse, clear and to the point, as businessmen have no time to read long letters, are businessmen. And so here B, after B there should be something, but it is completing the sentence at B, so it is not right. So after that we will try D, C, B, A. Business letters should be terse, clear and to the point, as businessmen are busy men and have no time to read long letters. So it is right. Here first of all it is telling that business letters should be terse, clear and to the point, as businessmen are busy men and have no time to read long letters. So here B will be our right answer. Then the next question is, it is also, so we first, every author when he regards rather than formidable critics as comical, a time comes in the life of. For this question also we will solve it by the options. First A option, a time comes in the life of every author when he regards rather than formidable critics as comical. So here it is not like it, we are feeling some discomfort, as like it is not making any sense that a time comes in the life of every author when he regards rather than formidable. When he regards, here it is verb and after that s is written, then rather than formidable. Formidable is something else. Then we will try option B. A, C, D, B. Every author when he regards critics as comical, a time comes in the life of rather than formidable. It is also not right because not making any sense. Then C, D, A, C, B. A time comes in the life of every author when he regards critics as comical rather than formidable. So here you can see that a time comes in the life of every author when he regards critics as comical. Comical is not verb, rather than formidable. Okay, so these both are same and they are connected by rather than, so it is right. So DACB will be our right arrangement. Then there is this parajumble sort of thing. First of all, we will read the instructions. First and last part of the sentence are numbered 1 to 6. The rest of sentence is split into 4 parts and named PQRS. The 4 parts are not given in order. Okay. So first and last sentence is fixed, but we have to arrange the PQRS. Okay. First we will read the first sentence. Moving away from home can be a strenuous activity for many people. Okay. Then we will read other things. While some people may look forward to it and thus can never adjust to an environment where they don't give their way, there are some people who are complete homebodies. Okay. So here first of all, moving away from home can be a strenuous activity for many people. While some people may look forward to it, so it is making the sense that it is a strenuous activity for many people, but some people may look forward to it. So P is the first sentence. Okay, because some people are looking forward to it, so these two sentences are in contrast. So the P is right here. After that we will check other sentence. And thus can never adjust to, but they are looking forward and after that they are saying they can never adjust. So this is not right. So Q can't come here. May look forward to it. There are some people who are complete homebodies. Okay, and thus can never adjust to an environment where they don't give their way. These are people that develop stress related problems due to non conducive living condition. So here you can see that we have solved the sentences by just reading it, that while some people may look forward to it and then there are some people who are complete homebodies, and thus because who are complete homebodies, they will not be able to adjust to an environment where they do not get their way. Okay, that some are looking forward, but some people are there who are like homebodies and they can never adjust. Okay, so it is explaining that moving away from home is a strenuous activity, but some people look forward to it, but there are some other people who can never adjust and environment where they don't get their way. Okay, and then 6 is saying that these are the people who get the stress related problems. So after P we will have S, then Q, then R. Okay, while some people may look forward to it, there are some people who are complete homebodies and thus can never adjust to an environment where they don't get their way. So this is the way to solve the jumbled sentence questions, and in the next video also I will try to solve these type of questions so that it can help you, because parajumbles is the headache for lots of aspirants. So I will try to solve these type of questions in the next video also. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you and have a nice day.